Well, my whole life I'd have problems with tricycline staining on the top of my teeth, and it looks like a bluish grayish stain, and I've always been embarrassed about it.
Oh, so this is something you've had, I take it, from what you just mentioned, for quite some time, since you were very little?
Yeah, after when my permanent teeth grew in,
Okay.
it was noticeable, so I've had it my whole entire life, basically.
And what are you going to have done here with Dr. Safety?
Well, we're looking to do Lumineers, and we got 10 Lumineers to cover the top of the teeth, and we also did gum lasered.
And how many visits do you foresee that are going to be needed to have this taken care of?
Actually, this is going to be my last one.
Okay.
I've already had two. The first process was taking the molds, having the gums lasered, and then also they prepared the teeth where they, I guess, do a little bit of scratching. I don't know the technical term for it. And it makes, when they prepare the teeth to put the Lumineer on, that the cement will actually stick to the surface.
Oh, that's certainly good to know, and that way it stays on there very solidly.
Yes.
And it certainly seems like you're already very pleased and happy and rather excited, aren't
I
you?
am. I'm very excited. This is going to be a life transformation, and to be able to smile and not be self-conscious is an amazing thing. So I'm very excited. I look very much forward to it.
Well, we certainly wish you all the very best, Rebecca. And on that note, I'd like to thank you for joining us on A New Me.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
We're now back with Dr. Safety. I must say, Rebecca seemed very, very excited about having this done.
Yes, yes. I mean, it's also very exciting for us to be able to change somebody's life. So, yes.
Well, the feeling you must get, Doctor, from, like you said just now, changing one's life, bringing that confidence back in so many people with some of these treatment options, it must be a great feeling indeed.
It sure is. It sure is.
Dr. Safety, we've only got a few moments left, and I wanted to ask you, before I let you go, your practice and yourself, certainly StarBrite Dental, have developed a very strong reputation within the field of dentistry for this region, and I wanted to ask you, what makes you so unique?
Well, I do have an incredible team with me. I mean, if you ask many of my patients, I do have an incredible staff. I mean, every single one of them are very professional, and they really care about every single patient. The other thing is I've been doing this for so many years, and cosmetic dentistry has been my passion, even from the beginning when I was in dental school. So that is what the result, the patient come to me, and that's what I give them.
So it's a very personalized approach with a dedicated and caring staff.
Amazingly, yes. I'd be very proud of it.
Well, that's certainly good to know. And on that note, Dr. Safety, I would like to thank you for joining us and being a guest on A New Me.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.